Hæ, gaman að sjá þig. Velkomin aftur. How about a sneak peek into our courses? Have a look at a lesson, some engaging interactive elements, and practice tools I created for you to get a well-rounded learning experience.
Ég tala króatísku, ensku og íslensku. Ég á heima í Kópavogi. Hvað heitir þú? Hvaðan ertu? Hvaða mál talarðu? Hvar áttu heima? Ég heiti...
But you don't have to sit there and listen to me talk at you the entire time. Our video lessons are interactive. As you learn the language, the vocabulary, and the grammar, you guide the two main characters through their story. You also take quizzes along the way to keep you engaged and improve your recall of the lesson. Expect an abundance of flashcards too.
Sjáumst Ásgeir, bless bless!
You can use our speaking tool to practice pronunciation. You can even expect to do some translation. If something needs work, you will see exactly what it is, and you can try again. We also built grammar practice and tests for smooth and standardized progress tracking. After all, these are full-on courses. Neither the teachers nor learners are allowed to be lazy. Icelandic AI is not an app. I think that's enough spoilers.
Takk fyrir að vera með. Sjáumst!